5 Steps to Great Health. Our health is some things we frequently reckon granted until we start to lose it. Unfortunately, once it's gone, it takes time for health to return. The simplest tasks to maintaining health are: by following some simple guidelines that are easy to follow every day. Here are 5 steps you'll be able to desire to maintain great health. Drink 2 liters of water per day. Often we confuse thirst for hunger. Resulting in health complications such as weight problems and dehydration. The body is formed from 70% water and desires to constantly replenish what's lost through perspiration, exhalation, and excretion. To create sure you have got enough water. Permanently health, drink a minimum of 2 liters per day. The water should be clean, clear, and pure. No extra additions like coffee or tea. Filtered water or rainwater is the most preferred. Attempt to sip regularly and count the glasses you consume to stay on track. You may notice health benefits. Choose digestion and clearer skin. 2. Get 20 minutes of aerobics daily. Your entire health existence relies on your heart pumping blood around the body. Your health is conditional to the blood and oxygen pumped to cells by the center. By increasing the center rate for 20 minutes daily, you're feeding your cells vital and health-giving oxygen and help remove toxins. If you're serious about your health, you may be getting aerobics daily. 3. Body and mind's health. Don't neglect your mental state. If you're not proud of where you're in your life and where you're headed, do something about it. List your goals and work toward them. You must enjoy your favorite hobby or pastime on a daily basis. Try meditation to scale back stress and take a day out to spend time with yourself. Health is holistic, mind and body. 4. Eat an honest sort of fruit and vegetables. What you set into your mouth determines your health to a good extent. You ought to aim to eat many servings of fruits and vegetables daily. Nutrition is important to your health. If you compare your body to a machine, you would like the most effective fuel possible. Your health will improve. In addition to your complexion and general well-being. 5. Find 10 minutes each day for stretching. If you would like to be quick, nimble, and fast to action, what animal might you compare yourself to? Once we consider this aspect of health, we would think about a cat. Watch how often a cat stretches. You'll benefit in the same way. There are many alternative ways. You'll incorporate stretching into your health regime. You'll try yoga or Pilates. Or perhaps those simple stretches we were taught to try to do before jogging. Stretching helps your health by stretching your muscles and moving lymph around your body. Lymph helps to hold away toxins from your cells, improving health on a cellular level. Follow these 5 steps for a quick and amazing increase in health. If you would like a whole guide to health that incorporates these steps and more, try this. For more information, we recommend to check out the link below. Receive the 4 cheat sheet PDF into your email and get access to a video that explains how to live a healthy way. Click the link below to get access.